Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the call recording option not showing on Android. First, let's try disabling Wi-Fi calling. Open the phone app on your Android device. At the top right corner, tap on the three-dot menu and go to Settings. Look for Wi-Fi calling. If you see it, turn it off. Keep in mind, this option depends on your phone model and carrier. Next, let's clear some temporary files that might be causing the issue. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and open apps. Search for the phone app, open it, and tap on storage and cache. Now, click clear cache and confirm. This removes temporary files that may interfere with call recording. After that, go to permissions and allow all necessary permissions such as microphone, storage, and location while using the app. This ensures the app has full access. Once done, go back and force stop the phone app. Then restart your device and check if the call recording option now appears. If none of these steps work, it's likely that call recording is restricted. This feature depends on several factors: your phone model, your carrier, your country, and your Android version. Unfortunately, if your carrier or country doesn't support it, the option won't appear no matter what you try. In that case, you may need to use third-party apps, but keep in mind that call recording laws vary by region. And that's it. These are the main fixes to try if call recording isn't showing on your Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.